There is a file in Chapter 4 called Chapter 4, Boy with Hat. And we have two identical characters here with setups almost identical. Here we have a helmet and a helmet. And the differences is how these helmets are connected. They've got the same control hierarchy. Here you can see the control hierarchy. But you can see there's something different going on with the helmet. This helmet is driven by a parent constraint. This helmet is driven by a direct connection, meaning that the output of the translate was put in straight from the control into the helmet. Works just fine, right? Well, not when you choose its parent. When you choose its parent in the hierarchy over here, well, it doesn't work all of a sudden. This one does, because let's look at this. If this is taking the numbers from translate and piping it into here, well, let's do it. So there is bibbly-goobly, some words there, right? Some numbers. I look here, same numbers. Fine. But when I grab its parent and move that, it has numbers, but its child does not. Therefore, no numbers go to the helmet. It's doing exactly what you told it. It's not broke. And I will tell you, the first time I did that to myself was in front of a class, and I believe it took me at least 10 minutes, probably more, to figure that one out. Because I usually do not use direct connections. I use constraints, and then I don't have the issue. And that's because we're dealing with hierarchies for our controllers. Constraints. Got it? Awesome. Should be a rule, but it's not a rule in there. It's assumed because of our rule number 4.